TisyaBox. So today I'm opening with you this Harry Potter Lego set with the back. It has with 4 books and also some stickers that says at the back with like Lego Harry Potter and also these stuff. And also, if you can see, it says Wizarding World right there. And also in this side over here. And also here and here. And it has Harry Potter's face of like him being a Lego character. And I was like, when I saw this, I was like, I need to buy it. And I bought it. And as you can see, it's brand new. I haven't even opened it. Like, so me and explore what is inside this magical box, because Wizarding World is full of magic. And yes, and as you know, I'm a very explorative girl, and yes, if you don't know about me, like my hobby is like Harry Potter. Like Hogwarts. Hogwarts and Harry Potter are the same, but they're kind of different, but still the same. So let's open it up. So let's open it. I already see one there. So from here, let's just open it. Or if I can't open it, I see a hole right there. So let's open it from there. Yeah. Whoa. This is so cool. And this is a tin box. This is so cool. Oh, yes. This wrapping is tight. But just... Yes, that's much better. Yes, let's take everything out. And even this one comes out. So we just have like a mirror. And so let's open this new Harry Potter box, tin box. Oh, they closed it tight. I just got it help from my daddy because he taught me. And good thing there is books. One book. These are like activity books, 2 books. Let me take out the other book, 3 books. And the final, take it out, 4th book, which includes, I can't take it out. Let me just dump that out. Oh my goodness, I thought it was like just like one sheet, but wow, loads of sheet. And yeah, there's Harry flying and also some people flying with Hagrid and McGonagall and lots of professors and stuff like that. And also Malfoy, the evil one to Harry Potter. So let's open these activity books. Let's open the first one that I got. Welcome to Hogwarts. Welcome to Hogwarts. It's like an activity book. This looks so much fun. If I do this, then I can learn then I can be like a professional of Harry Potter. And I can go to Hogwarts like Harry. Yay. And the training. So here it says, before Harry starts at Hogwarts, he must buy wizarding school supplies in Dragon Alley. Pick the item that Harry needs for his classes. So we need to pick which one of these items do Harry need. He definitely needs some books, and he definitely needs his wand to put some magical spells if the professors ask them to. Not the golden snitch because it's for Quidditch games. And suitcase. Oh, this is Harry's suitcase, so he does not need that. It goes in his bedroom. And yeah. Why is there a chocolate frog? He does not need to eat chocolate at classes, okay? No. No chocolates allowed in classes. So not that. This one. Books, potions, and his wand. So let's take them and with these circles beside them, and let's go. And also they have included a Hedwig in there, and it's like so amazing with lots of Harry Potter questions. Please don't let me be Slytherin. And lots of things in here, and we get to draw a picture. Yay! And also these stickers, which will be in one of these activity books, like here and here, stuff like that. And maybe the sticker should go here. Yeah. And let's move on to the next book and explore what they have. It says, spot the difference. Yay! I love spotting the difference because you can learn more things. Dobby is there? No, Dobby is not there. So, Dobby is. So we found the difference. And Golden Snitch is there over here, and Golden Snitch is not there. And this book is very fun. I like spotting the differences because, I spot the difference. So here, there's like I don't know what that is, but like over here, there's nothing beside Dobby's suitcase type thing. And here there's a bird, and here there's no birds. I think this bird is yes. It's one of these stickers. So it's very fun. The spot the difference is very fun. This might be my favorite book of all. Oh, in the front cover we have Snape and Voldemort. Voldemort in the dark side. And we have Malfoy, Dumbledore, Hermione, Harry, and Ron with his pet rat, with her book, with their wands, here, and Hagrid. Hagrid is a very nice guy, even when he's a giant. Magical missions. Whoa. Let's see what there is. Maybe we need stickers for these. Oh, we found that bird again, which was in the stickers. And also, wait a minute. This potion is exactly the same, and this one is exactly the same. Wow, we have Hedwig, Hagrid, and loads of different creatures, and Ron being scared. Oh no, what happened to him? And also tiles in the correct places by writing numbers in the boxes. I just read it from here. And loads of different stuff. Why does it always have to be spiders? Because if you don't know, Ron is horrified of spiders. And when they went to meet the big spider, because I watched this movie, when they went to meet the big spider, there was like spiders crawling around. spiders everywhere. And Ron was like, Harry, Harry, Harry. And Harry was like, wait. Harry was very interested in talking to this big spider, and they ran away with Ron's magical car. And they ran away with this car. They have a spider, and when they ran away, there were so many spiders coming. I don't know why, but it was kind of scary for Ron. And here we have all the potions, and here, this is the screaming plant. I have also watched this movie. It was like in the first or second movie, I don't remember, but I do remember the scene of this one. They were like earplugs, and they took the plant out, and it was like screaming. That's why they have to wear the earplugs. And also it looks like a puzzle. I love puzzles. Oh yeah, it is puzzles. So you just need to like complete this with puzzles. So cool. Here we have Dumbledore putting a spell on the pot. And here we have books. And there we have the shelves with the numbers. And and here we have Harry with his invisible cloak, because Harry was at nighttime sometimes. Harry used to like put his invisible cloak on, and no one can see them. Like no one can see Harry or Ron sometimes when they're like under the blankie, the invisible cloak. They can never see one single thing. And it's like connect the dots, and here's Ginny, Ron's sister, and here is Harry through these spidery wet green pipes, and Ron never wants to go there. You know why? There are spiders. He's terrified of spiders. And here we have like another one of those like differences. Find 6 differences between these pictures. Oh, already found one. There's nothing there. Already found this one. What is another one? Yeah, this is like so much fun. And let's move on to the final book, which is the sticker scene. And when I just saw the sticker scene, we need to use these stickers for this book because it's a sticker scene. Here, I thought this was a page, but this is actually the front. They have Hermione, Harry, and Ron. And they're going to Hogwarts. If you didn't know, they have to go to platform 9 3/4. There's only 9, but there's a secret compartment that you cannot see. Harry, with his luggage and with his things, he goes like whoosh, to the walls, and he gets to the train that he needs to go into to get to Hogwarts. Over here we have the other scene with the car. Over here we have Quidditch. And this is Slytherin and this is Gryffindor. So from the Gryffindor team, they cheer for the Gryffindor team, which is playing Quidditch. And from the Slytherin team, they cheer for the Slytherin team. And Dumbledore, not Gryffindor, is a very good Gryffindor, and he's a very nice guy. And Snape, don't know about him. He's nice, he's not nice, and as you can see, there's no Huff and Puff or Ravenclaw, or you can just call them Yellow Blue Towers if you don't know about them. There's no people because Ravenclaw and Huff and Puff are competing each other and they have a different match. And but Slytherin and Gryffindor are all about the movies. Because Gryffindor has to win, but not Slytherin with the Quidditch. And yeah, because the line is coming from there, and evil Slytherin and good Gryffindor. Wait, what is that? Oh, okay, whatever. And here, Snape is getting Harry to get down. When Harry gets down off the broom, he falls off. And then he gets sick. Oh. He has a golden snitch. And if you have the golden snitch, if you take the golden snitch, if you catch the golden snitch, then the team who won will win 150 points. And over here we have Ron as well as Harry's invisible cloak and Ron's Christmas clothes sweater because it's Christmas, and Gryffindor symbols like this one right here. Yellow and red are a Gryffindor, always remember that. And he has a R for Ron, and he also has a H for Harry. Invisible cloak. And over here we have a professor, and Harry, professor is doing the spell with flowers and the big, humongous castle. And this, what do you call it? A flying car. This car was talking about the spiders. This car can fly, if you didn't know. And they were flying, and one man in the car, they were like, what? And yeah, this is the big tree beside the castle where they need to go to the this is the Hogwarts castle where they sleep for like, I think 1 year they stay here for like the classes, and then they go back home, and then they come back. Yeah, it keeps on flipping, and the car crashed into a big tree, and yeah, they have to go to the Hogwarts school, climb a mountain, and yeah, 3 of my pages left. I don't know who that character is. It might be Hermione, I don't know, because of the sweater with Hagrid and a cup. Hagrid's things are so giant because he is a giant, and he also lives in the Hogwarts castle, beside the Hogwarts castle, but he has his own house because he's a giant. And I think that is Hermione again from there. Pumpkin patch. And the bird again. Here we have people doing the spells with blue and fire. And the last scene of all. Voldemort and Harry Potter have a fight with their wands because they don't have magical powers, but they do have magical powers in their wands, and they are fighting. Fight, 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 fight. Fight, 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 fight. With their wands, no magical powers. Fight, 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 fight. And see who wins. And yeah, I really love this. And also, if you see in the stickers, they have given like 16 and 14 to 15. They're the pages. Over here. Sticker scene. And yes, I love all of these books. All of them. I love all of these books because they're just so much activity, and whenever I get bored of doing what I am doing. If I'm being like, okay, I'm getting bored. What shall I do? Play with my Harry Potter activity book. And yeah, these are the best books I've ever had. And it says magical mysteries and fun activities. Fun activities. And hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and we'll see you later. Bye bye. Hogwarts hug.